Do you have a website? Or are you about to create a new website? Here are the 9 main criteria you need to know before choosing a hosting company for your website. I have compared 3 hosting companies that I personally use on my website: SiteGround versus Bluehost and versus Cloudways. Let us start to compare these 3 companies on criteria 1, which is the personality and profile of a person. The criteria 1 mostly depend on you or who you are, because you are the one to make a decision on what type of hosting company and a budget you want to invest on a hosting plan. For that, you should first answer this question: are you a technical person? What is your available budget for a hosting plan? Are you doing online business as a part-time job or a full-time? Answering this question before choosing a hosting company for your website will help you to decide about which aspect to base your decision on when choosing a hosting company. That includes things like good technical assistance, good customer support, an affordable hosting plan, or a company delivering fast-speed web hosting. Let's face it, if you have another job, you will not have the time to learn the setting of hosting software. Depending on the hosting company you chose, certain companies have a bunch of applications that requires more setting before you can host your website with them. A hosting company like Cloudways requires more setting. Cloudways is a company that offers private cloud hosting to website owners. Cloudways delivers faster web speed and performance. But what I don't like about Cloudways is that their hosting connection requires more technical knowledge. The setting is not beginner friendly compared to SiteGround and Bluehost. Another thing I don't like about Cloudways is that after you have finished doing the setting, you will also need to go and find another email hosting and domain name provider. Don't go with Cloudways if you are not a technical person. Go with SiteGround or Bluehost since they offer share hosting plans. These companies have done the presetting of their hosting system. You have little involvement at the beginning while starting your web hosting. If you don't like going to any frustration of learning, or you don't want to pay someone to help you with settings, SiteGround or Bluehost is the best choice for you. Criteria 2. Pricing plan comparison. Let's compare the pricing of startup hosting plan of SiteGround, Bluehost, and Cloudways. Let's start with SiteGround pricing. SiteGround is a credible hosting company that delivers a good hosting service with fast web speed and excellent customer support. SiteGround offers a startup hosting plan deal of $4.99 per month if you pay for a full year. The total cost is $59.88 for a full year of hosting. It is a super deal at 70% off, almost unbeatable. Sounds good, right? But wait. After a year, the deal is over. The price jumps to $14.99 per month. That is if you pay for a full year, which costs $179.88. If you want to avoid paying for a full year, you will have no discount and the monthly price will be $19.99 per month. If you decide to sign up for a 24-month deal, you will have to pay $11.99 per month, or a total of $239.76 for a full year. The 36-month contract as a deal will cost you $377.64 for a full year at $10.49 per month. What I don't like about SiteGround pricing is that after a year, the price at the renewal jumped to almost 3 times the introductory price, from $4.99 to $14.99 if you pay again for a full year. Another thing I don't like about SiteGround pricing is that its startup plan only allows you to host one website, and you are limited to 10,000 visitors per month. Compared to Cloudways, SiteGround's startup pricing plan for 1 year is cheaper. But compared to Bluehost, the startup pricing plan for a 12-month contract is almost identical. Bluehost slightly cheaper by a few cents. Bluehost pricing plan comparison. What I like about Bluehost is its affordable price for the basic plan of $2.95 per month for a 3-year contract. The hosting plan includes 50 GB storage and a free domain name for a year. If you are just starting and you have a tight budget, Bluehost could work for you. But remember that the attractive price of $2.95 per month is only applicable if you pay for the full 36 months, which costs $106.02 for 3 years of full web hosting. The Bluehost 12-month deal costs $4.95 per month or $59.04 for the full year of web hosting. The contract for 24 months deal costs $3.95 per month, billed at $94.80 for a full web hosting. What I don't like about the Bluehost pricing model is that you are forced to sign up for 36 months to get a deal of $2.95 per month. Another thing I don't like about Bluehost is that the basic plan allows you to host only one website. And if you decide to sign up for 12 months of hosting, the price is not that competitive anymore compared to SiteGround price for a 12-month deal. Let's do the recap. Bluehost 12-month contract will cost you $4.95 per month. SiteGround 12-month contract will cost you $4.99 per month. Cloudways $10 per month. Now, let's discover Cloudways pricing plan. What I like about Cloudways pricing is that you don't have to pay or be billed for a full year of hosting. It's pay as you go. Each month, you only pay what you use. It is so amazing if you don't like to be locked in a contract deal like SiteGround and Bluehost. Cloudways gives you the option to choose a cloud hosting company you may like to host your website with. You have a choice between DigitalOcean, Linode, VULTR, AWS, and Google Cloud. The cheapest plan among the 5 cloud hosting companies managed by Cloudways is DigitalOcean. The startup plan costs $10 per month. Another affordable cloud hosting company managed by Cloudways is VULTR. Its startup plan costs $11 per month. With Cloudways, you will spend $120 for a full year of web hosting on a startup plan. The good thing about Cloudways startup pricing plan is that with $10 per month, you have faster web speed. You are allowed to host unlimited website application. That means in one hosting account, you could host more than one website. And another cool thing is that you have access to advanced website optimizers with free website migration. What I don't like about Cloudways is that the first time setting a hosting account is a bit technical. It is really challenging if you are not a technical person. Another thing I don't like about Cloudways is that its pricing plan is not affordable for beginners when compared to SiteGround and Bluehost. And Cloudways account setting is not beginner friendly. Because the pricing plan of a hosting company is very important criterion, let's do a comparison of the money spent with each company on a basic startup plan for a 36-month and 12 months period. Hey, take 1 second of your time to like the video as you are getting value. Your action will help other people to discover the video and learn. Okay, let's go back to price comparison. For a 36-month web hosting contract with Bluehost, you will spend on a startup or a basic plan $106.02. With SiteGround, you will spend $377.64, and with Cloudways, you will spend $360. If you plan to enter into a contract for 36 months with a web hosting company, Bluehost is more affordable compared to SiteGround and Cloudways. But on the other hand, Cloudways is affordable compared to SiteGround for a 36-month contract. Let's do a comparison for a 12-month contract. Bluehost will cost you $59.04, SiteGround $59.88, and Cloudways $120. If you plan to sign up for a 12-month hosting plan, Bluehost is slightly cheaper than SiteGround. But SiteGround has better value for a 12-month contract. Conclusion: if your decision to choose a hosting company is based on a pricing plan, here is my recommendation. For a hosting plan of 12-month contract, SiteGround has better value than Bluehost. Click the link below to start hosting your website with SiteGround. For a hosting plan going for a 36-month contract, Bluehost has better value than SiteGround. Click the link below to start hosting your website with Bluehost. On the other hand, comparing Cloudways and SiteGround for a hosting plan of 36-month contract, Cloudways is cheaper and has better value than SiteGround. But if you are planning to connect for more than one website on a startup hosting plan, Cloudways offers better value because a startup plan that allows you to connect to more than one website. Click the link below to start hosting your website with Cloudways. Criteria 3 is to compare the customer support of the 3 hosting providers. A hosting company should have a knowledgeable technical support team ready to assist customers 24/7, especially if a company is serving a wide range of customers, including non-technical clients. Both SiteGround, Bluehost, and Cloudways have customer support team. They have live chat and email option. You can also contact them by posting a ticket regarding your issue, or you can request a callback. But by comparing the 3 hosting providers on customer support service, SiteGround provides the best customer support. SiteGround have a knowledgeable support team ready to assist you. Some of my websites are hosted with SiteGround, and the assistance I often receive is wonderful. Bluehost customer support is good, but not that knowledgeable when you need a technical assistant. With Cloudways, I'm still new with their support team, but so far the assistance I receive is good. If a good customer support team is your main criteria for choosing a web hosting provider, SiteGround is your best choice. You will be in good hands as I am. Let's compare criteria 4, which is the performance and speed provided by the hosting provider. The speed of a website is an important aspect to consider. It is evident that we all like faster and performing websites. But to have a faster web speed delivered from a hosting provider, we need to pay a bit more. Cloudways delivers faster speed and performance compared to SiteGround and Bluehost. I tested the page loading speed time of the 3 hosting providers using the startup hosting plan they offer. Cloudways perform better than SiteGround and Bluehost. Cloudways page speed load was 1 minute and 3 seconds. SiteGround 2 minutes and 2 seconds. Bluehost 3 minutes and 2 seconds. If choosing your hosting company is based on speed only, Cloudways is your best choice. Cloudways delivers faster web speed and performance. Since I moved one of my e-commerce websites with Cloudways, the performance and speed are incredible. The advantage of Cloudways is that it offers private cloud hosting plan, which helps with speed and performance. If you are a technical person ready to learn, Cloudways will be your best choice. This company delivers optimum web speed. I started hosting my website late with Cloudways because I am not a technical person. But what I can say is that choosing a web hosting company, even for speed and performance, depends on the purpose of your website. If you are a beginner and your website is new with no visitors, there is no point in paying more money for a hosting plan just for web speed, since you have the option to upgrade your plan later to a faster web hosting provider. SiteGround and Bluehost are very good for beginners. Criteria number 5, let's compare the infrastructure and technology. Hey, here is a little disclosure about this video for you. A helpful thing you can do for me is that if you click the link below and you purchase a hosting plan, I will receive a small commission from the company you have purchased. Note that your pricing of the hosting plan will stay the same. Thank you in advance for your support. Let's go back to the comparison of infrastructure of hosting providers. Hosting companies are responsible for providing the necessary infrastructure and services necessary to improve the user experience when visiting a website. It is therefore their responsibility to optimize their system so that they can serve up the site quickly and efficiently, both within their facility and across various internet locations. Cloudways and SiteGround have invested heavily on new infrastructure. That helps them to provide higher performance and web speed to their customer. If your decision of choosing a web hosting company is based on modern infrastructure and new technology equipment, Cloudways and SiteGround will be your best choice. Criteria 6, the server location of a web hosting provider. When choosing a web hosting provider, it is important to find out where the company's servers are located. Often, this will be referred as server location. A website's loading speed can often be directly related to how close the website hosting server is located to the client. If you want your website to load quickly, look for a web hosting provider with servers located in close proximity to your target audience. For example, if most of your customers on your website are coming from the United States, choose a web hosting provider with server located in the United States. SiteGround has 6 locations strategically positioned to better serve its customers in North America, Europe, and Asia. Bluehost has 1 server center located in the United States only. Cloudways, on the other hand, has multiple virtual servers located in various countries. Criteria 7, the secure network system of a hosting company. There are many hosting companies, each one offering its own kind of security system. A few years ago, it was quite easy to get hacked, but nowadays it is different. Hackers these days have basic access to a hosting account, making it difficult to do things like spreading malware using hosting company. These days, hackers are mostly spreading malware through individual website applications. SiteGround, Bluehost, and Cloudways both have a good security system for their infrastructure. But web accounts on a shared hosting offers by SiteGround and Bluehost are more exposed to malware compared to private cloud hosting accounts offered by Cloudways. That's why if your website has been affected, SiteGround and Bluehost will disconnect your website account to protect another website on the same shared account. If choosing your hosting provider is based on the security of the network, the 3 hosting companies have good and secure network. The criteria number 8 is comparing the server uptime of the 3 hosting providers. What is a server uptime? Let's first define the server uptime. It is the percentage of time a server is offline compared to the period of time the server is up and running. An important key measure of a web hosting provider is its ability to keep customers happy, is how well it keeps its server up and running. Here is the result of the uptime comparison between SiteGround, Bluehost, and Cloudways. SiteGround server uptime 99.99%, Bluehost server uptime 98.99%, Cloudways server uptime 99.99%. The three companies have registered higher server uptime compared to the industry standard. If your decision of selecting a hosting is based on the server uptime, any of the three companies could be a better choice for you. Criteria 9 is to compare the ease of use of the client dashboard. The client area or dashboard is the window where, when you log into your account open with a hosting company, all your customer information and applications are located. You can also use the client area to communicate with the hosting company, to create emails, read your website performance, or create new web application. When comparing the client area of the three hosting providers, SiteGround and Cloudways have an intuitive, well-designed dashboard, easy to use and navigate. Bluehost is still using the cPanel dashboard and outdated client area. The cPanel generally looks clunky and confusing for beginners. If choosing a hosting provider is based on the ease of use of client area, SiteGround and Cloudways represent the best option for you. Here is my final recommendation. For a low-cost web hosting plan with good customer support, go with Bluehost. Click the link below to sign up with Bluehost. Bluehost pricing is clear to understand compared to SiteGround pricing. But for a great customer support and a fast web speed, click the link below to host your website with SiteGround. Finally, for an excellent top-notch web speed and performance with good customer support, click the link below to sign up your web hosting with Cloudways. We have written a detailed article on our blog comparing the three hosting providers. For more information, click the link below for a free access to the article.